Welcome once again to Thompson & Smith, and today we're very pleased to offer this massive spec Hyundai Tucson 1.6 diesel 134 PS. This is the Premium SE in a lovely white sand metallic paintwork. We're complemented by the sporty 19-inch diamond cut alloys, roof rails from privacy glass. I'm just going to take you in first of all for a close-up of the sporty alloys. Down the other side of the vehicle. See there, it's keyless entry, keyless start. The rear, as I said, privacy glass. It's got rear park sensors there, and a rear camera. Let me show you as well power tailgate. And great size family boots. The 60-40 split rear seats. Just look under here, spare wheel. It's a rarity these days. Okay, we'll just come out of there and just show you, as I mentioned, it's on the button. That one now closed, and just take you to the near side rear quarter view. And again, we're just taking for a close up of the near side rear wheel. Wheels and tyres are in excellent condition. We'll just walk down the near side of the vehicle. Car's done 16,500 miles in fantastic condition. And now just taking to the car itself and just show you some of the goodies on offer. So first thing we'll see is electric windows front and rear. We've got electric heated door mirrors, which are folding. You can see the full leather interior, all heated seats and heated steering wheel, all electronically adjustable on these buttons. Okay, so we'll just jump in the cabin. I'll work our way across. Loads of safety features, including blind spot warning collision there, lane departure warning. Also got speed time recognition. You see there, 16,500 miles. Auto lights and auto wipers. We've got cruise control, trip computer. Work our way into the middle, you'll see the big 18-inch colour Hyundai media system. All DAB radio, Bluetooth, got Sat Nav. As we come down, you'll see dual zone climate control. We set the temperature differently on different sides. As I mentioned, heated seats, and it's also got cooling active ventilation seats for that one hot sunny day of the year. As we move across, the same again on the driver's side. Very nice feature. Okay, a little bit further down, we've got auxiliary USB charging sockets there, 6-speed manual box. We've got downhill brake control there. As we come to the centre, you'll see a view button here for the camera. Let's go onto there. See split screen, 360-degree angle. Just work our way across. You'll see service history, been serviced twice at Hyundai already, and we would service the car on purchase. And one more goodie, just come across. You'll see the full pan electric roof. You see there opening. So again, a great feature to have. It also has heated outer rear seats, so it should please everyone. We'll just come out for one more look. As I mentioned, we'll service the car. It will come with 6 months Nationwide R.A.C Platinum warranty. If you'd like to know more about this vehicle, you ring myself Tom, or in the sales team on 01507 602222, or visit our website www.thompsonsmith.co.uk. Thanks again for viewing.